Hello guys, I am from Govras Math Sub. I am going to ex- explain some concepts related to chapter 7 integral NCERT 12 mathematics. Integration by part. The concept is integration by part. Integral of product of two functions. Here I shall write let colon dash let u and v be the first and second function respectively. U equal to first function comma v equal to second function. U equal to first function, v equal to second. Then integral first function u dot second function v dot dx. Here you can see u is the first function, v is the second function. Integral of product of first function and second function. This is the formula you must remember. Equal to first function as it is dot integral second function dot dx minus integral open here curly bracket d over dx of u dot integral v dot dx curly bracket close dot dx. Integral first function multiply to second function dot dx equal to first function u dot integral second function v dot dx minus integral open here curly bracket d over dx of first function v u d over dx of first function u dot integral second function v dot dx integral dx. This is the formula you must remember. Here important concept lemma I shall write implied that we shall choose the first function, we shall choose the function as first. This means that we shall choose the first function. We shall choose the function as first, which comes first in the iletic iletic. Here I shall explain lemma. We shall choose the function as first. First function will be that function which will come first in the iletic. Iletic word I shall explain. Iletic. Iletic I means inverse trigonometric function. I equal to inverse trigonometric function. L means L equal to logarithmic function. Comma A equal to algebraic function. T means trigonometry function. Trigonometric function. E means exponential function. C equal to constant. Lemma is we shall choose the function as first which will come and occupy first position in the iletic. I means inverse trigonometric function. L means logarithmic function. A means algebraic function. T means trigonometric function. E means exponential function. C equal to constant. Here this word is known as iletic. Iletic या iletic both are the same. You can call it lastly iletic. This is the concept you must remember. Next concept I shall write in case function is trigonometric. Next concept I shall write when both the functions are trigonometric function. Trigonometric function. When both functions are trigonometric function, then take second function v, then take the second function v which is whose integral is simpler two function. First function you can call u, second function here. We shall choose the second function out of two trigonometric function as we whose integral is simpler. Next concept is when both the functions are algebraic function when both the function are algebraic function, then we shall choose the first function u whose differential is simpler. Function I have explained. This is one of the important concept I have mentioned here. Integration by part. Integral of product of two functions. Let u be the first function and v be the second function. U is the first function, v is the second function. Then integral of product of two functions will be integral u dot v dot dx equal to first function u dot integral of second function v minus integral open curly bracket d over dx of u means differential of first function u dot integral of second function v का whole dx. Lemma is there. We shall choose the function as first function which will come first position in the term I letter. I means inverse trigonometric function, L means logarithmic function, A means algebraic function, T means trigonometric function, E means exponential function, C means constant. Elatic. When both the functions are trigonometric function, we shall take second function v whose integral is simpler. Next concept is when both the functions are algebraic functions, we shall choose the first function as u whose differential is simpler. This is the concept I have mentioned here. First I shall take this concept with the key point available with me. Let us see. When both functions are trigonometric, take function v, second function, whose integral is simpler. Both concepts are algebraic, then take the function as first function u, whose differential is simpler. These are the important concepts I have mentioned here. Now I shall take two formulas. Here you must remember that formula is more important. Three formulas are special formulas. World class formula of integral you can say here. Out of three world class formulas, I shall take the proving of one formula later on. But here I shall explain two formulas. Those formulas are world class formulas based on Euler. Formula I am going to write here. Formula. Here formula is singular. If you add E as suffix, it will become plural. The formula I am going to write here: integral under root integral in bracket under root x square minus a square dot dx. This formula you have to remember, keep the things in your mind. Here I have written integral under root x square minus a square dot dx comes out to be x over 2 dot under root x square minus a square bracket close. Here you can see minus is available, right here minus. Again I shall write a square over 2 dot log mod x plus under root x square minus a square mod plus c. Here you can see in this formula integral in bracket under root x square minus a square bracket below dot dx is equal to x over 2. X over 2. Here you can see x is a variable. The x over 2 dot same thing under root x square minus a square I shall reflect here. Here since minus is available, write here minus a square over 2. This a is a content here, a square over 2 dot log mod x plus under root x square minus a square mod plus. This formula you must remember. Next formula I shall write formula number 1. Next formula I shall write integral in bracket under root x square plus a square dot dx comes out to be integral in bracket under root x square plus a square bracket below dot dx comes out to be x over 2 dot under root x square plus a square. Here you can see plus is available. That's why right here plus sign is available, right here plus a square over 2 log mod x plus अंडर रूट एक्स स्क्वायर plus a square mod plus c. So here you can see second formula I have written here, integral in bracket under root x square plus a square bracket close dot dx equal to x over 2. This x is variable, x over 2 dot in bracket same thing under root x square plus a square will be reflected here. Here plus sign is available, right here plus, and this a square over 2 dot plus sign plus sign. Here you can remember in both formula plus sign is fixed here. X is variable, here plus sign is fixed here. Remember this one. Whether at this place minus or plus are available, minus or plus is available, but here plus sign is fixed here. Here minus is there, right here minus. Here plus is there, right here plus. Here plus sign is there, right here plus. Here minus sign is there, right here minus. This formula. Here C is the content. Next formula I shall write here, third formula. This is one of the most important formulas we shall use and also take the derivation of third formula here applicable while tackling the problems related to application of integral, like taking out the volume of a trapezium, volume of a triangle, volume of the area of the square, of which we shall learn in next chapter, that is application of integral. This formula you must remember. Here I shall write integral, in bracket I shall write under root a square minus x square dot dx. One of the most important formula you must remember. Here you can see x square minus a square is available. Here just reverse. A square has occupied the first place, x square has occupied the second place. So integral in bracket under root a square minus x square bracket close dot dx comes out to be x over 2 dot under root a square minus x square. What to do next? Next I shall write here plus a square by 2 dot sin inverse x over a plus c I shall write. This formula you must remember. Third formula, integral in bracket under root a square minus x square bracket close dot d equal to x over 2 dot under root a square minus x square bracket close plus a square over 2 dot sin inverse x over 2 by plus c. Proving of third formula we shall take later on. Proving will be done later on. One of the most formula I shall written here, integral in bracket under root a square minus x square bracket close dot dx equal to x over 2 dot under root a square minus x square bracket close plus a square over 2 dot sin inverse x over 2 plus c. Proving will be taken later on. This is the one of the most important formula I shall explain later on. Till now, okay guys, thanks.